Yung coaching program ni IPAS, yung nag-help talaga sa akin para ma-keep in track ako sa review. And then they are also keep motivating me, to pursue and continue what I'm doing. So I'm very thankful to this superwoman, the true superwoman of my life during my entire review. So Ma'am Jamie at saka si Ma'am Crystal.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to IPAS Online Review and Mentoring Academy. My name is John, and I'll be your host for tonight. Here at Hope Talk, we invite successful IPAS Online Review candidates in the NCLEX to share their wonderful stories and learnings from their journey in achieving the goals of becoming registered nurses in the USA, Canada, and Australia. So let's give a warm welcome as she takes us on a captivating journey through the trials and triumphs of NCLEX preparation. I would like to introduce to you our newest US RM passer, Miss Natalie De Los Santos. Good evening, Miss Natalie.
Hi, good evening, sir.
How
And good
does it
evening
feel
to
po?
everyone. Ngayon, to be honest, I'm still like, let you say, excited about the result. Hindi pa rin makatulog.
Mm-mm.
Nagsisettle in pa din yung result, to be honest. So, but yeah, masaya.
Congratulations po again. And kailan po kayo nag-take ng exam?
So, I took my NCLEX exam last April 19.
Oh, very recent. Kaya pala medyo ano pa no, nasa cloud nine pa talaga yung feeling.
Yeah, that's what I feel. So, yeah, nasa ganyan ang feeling pa ako at the moment.
And we are very excited po, Miss Natalie, hearing your ano po, stories when it comes to your NCLEX preparation. Could you share us po your educational background leading up to your NCLEX preparation?
Hi, good evening again to everyone. So, especially to the IPA students. So, my name is Natalie. I'm from Palawan, Philippines,
Hmm.
and I graduated last 2012 at Holy Trinity University. So, but I just took up my PNLE just last year. So,
Oh.
10 years in the making.
Mm.
And yeah, I told everyone I just recently passed my NCLEX last April 19. I don't have any bedside experience, so I cannot share anything when it comes to hospital settings. But I'm working as a virtual assistant, so medical virtual
Mm.
assistant. I don't know if you guys have heard it. So all my clients are based in the US as well. Since 2013 until right now, I'm doing my virtual assistants. And just last year as well, September, I guess, when I started as a dialysis nurse as well. Kasi excited ako to practice nursing kasi ang tagal almost 10 years.
Mm.
So, nag-dialysis nurse ako until January this year, but I decided to resign kasi nga, yun nga, magpo-focus na ako sa NCLEX review. So, I told to the hospital na babalik na lang ako kapag USRN na ako.
Yeah.
And they were keep chatting in me now, when you going back? I said, I don't know yet. Kasi right now, I'm trying to find my employee na and then, to proceed to the next steps para walang ma-waste na time. So yeah, I graduated last 2012. Don't have any bedside experience. So just recently passed my PNLE last year and then this year is the NCLEX.
Thank you for sharing, Miss Natalie. Which cycle do you belong po?
Oh yeah, so I belong to Cycle 12. So just recently, I actually enrolled last October, if I'm not mistaken. So that was
Mm.
like Cycle 11, end of Cycle 11. So hindi mo na ako na-join kasi baka ano yung topic nila pa-end na. But I do keep joining the live, just to get the vibe of the online review. And then Cycle 12 talaga ako nag-start. But hindi talaga ako nag-start on November kasi Cycle 12 is November eh. Kasi nag-work
Yeah.
pa ako that time sa hospital. So wala akong time.
Mm.
And I'm working as a dialysis nurse. So sometimes we're doing like acute dialysis or stat dialysis. So minsan nag
Mm.
end ng 1 o'clock ng madaling araw, 3 o'clock ng madaling araw. So wala na akong time. But yun, napag-decided ko na talaga nung meron na akong authorization to take a test nung January na, doon ako nag-decide na i-serious na yung review. So January talaga ng kalagitnaan ako nag-start ng review.
But before that, ma'am, naghahapyaw-hapyaw na kayo ng review.
Yes, I actually November. Kasi hindi ako nakakasabay sa live, which is yun yung gusto ko, interactive learning. Yun yung mas prefer ko sana. And
Mm.
during that, I missed the live. yung roadmap ang binabalikan ko. So every day ako nag-roadmap. For example, today is infection control. So doon ako nagbabasa. And then, yun lang muna yung inaaral ko. Sabi ko, balikan ko na lang yung live, yung recorded later on. Yung ganun yung ginagawa ko during November and December.
And which Board of Nursing ang in-applyan natin?
So, I applied for Board of Nursing in New York. So,
Ah,
DYI lang kasi I feel
mm,
like if I did everything on myself, parang mas motivated ako. And besides, yung schools nandito na rin sa
mm.
malapit lang din sa city and then yung PRC as well. So I decided to do it on my own. But when I decided to mag-review na, yun, marami akong mga colleagues in the hospital that I-pass baby din. So
Oh,
tapos sila nag-encourage sa akin, so mag-IPAS ka na lang. So I inquire a lot of review center. And si IPAS lang yung napusuan ko kasi hindi
oh,
siya upfront, hindi siya upfront magbigay ng down payment kasi yung iba full payment agad. Sabi ko masyadong mabigat. So sabi ko si IPAS lang yung nagbigay ng like 50% discount, 50% down payment and then scattered yung payment. And yun, napusuan ko siya kasi ang dami rin nag-encourage sa akin na mag-IPAS ka. Yung mga colleagues ko nga sa dialysis, they are IPAS baby din. So, ayun na, mga Australian RN na sila. So, doon ako na-encourage sa kanila.
thank you, Miss Natalie, for sharing and for trusting iPass when it comes to your review. Medyo ano rin yan, no? It really depends on the individual how you're gonna process your documents. So most especially sa mga
Yes.
OFW, talagang kailangan nila ng assistance when it comes to process their PRC and their school credentials. But thank you po.
Yes.
Kasi 'di ba convenient naman sa inyo and you don't want to waste money and that's effective for you. But for some, our students naman na hindi pa nagpa-process ng documents but they have already enrolled with this program, you can email po iPass Processing Team or you can message there in their Facebook account, iPass Processing, to know more about your process of taking the NCLEX exam. And I understand, Miss Natalie, that you started your review around January, mid-January, up until April. So that was 3 months of preparation.
Yes.
How did you structure your study schedule po?
So, as a BA, gabi rin yung work ko. So, mahirap siya i-jibe with the review kasi review of IPAS is also, live review of IPAS is also night time here in the Philippines. So, 8 o'clock to 1. So, ang ginawa ko, nag-start na talaga ako mag-review to cope up with my missed subjects like November, December. So, ang ginagawa ko nun, sir, is I do join live reviews. So, that would be 8 o'clock in the evening sa Philippines and minsan natatapos ng 1 o'clock max na
Yeah.
yon or minsan 1:30 pa kung nag-extend yung lecturer. And then, join ako and then after nun, nag-work. Pero at the same time, nag-work na ako, naglalagin na ako ng 8. Pero kasi pag morning, wala masyadong ginagawa sa clinic sa US, sa pinagtatrabuhan ko. So medyo siya, low-key. So at the same time, sa tabi ko yung isang laptop, nag-review ako, nakaka-join ako. Kasi I feel like yung online o yung live review is somehow mas encourage ako to makipagsagutan sa chat.
Yeah.
I mean, to open up my opinion ko, bakit yung sagot ko, ganon. Parang nakakatuwa. Tapos nakakatuwa din yung mga classmates mo na nag-join during live. So, yun, nagla-live ako and then natatapos ang work ko at 8 o'clock in the morning na po. So, right after na matapos yung work ko ng 8 o'clock, yun na, sinusunod ko na yung yung missed subject ko from previous months. So, since November. So, ganun ang gawa ang routine ko. So, minsan nakakatulog ako 1 o'clock na ng hapon or minsan 2. And worst case scenario, 3 o'clock na ng hapon. And then I have to sleep, wake up again at 8 kasi sasabayan ko na naman yung live review. So, ganun yung naging routine ko everyday. Hanggang sa makuha ko na, hanggang sa masakop ko na yung mga miss ko kasi from November to December, unti lang naman yung subjects na na-miss ko. So, ganun yung routine ko everyday until end of February hanggang sa natapos ko yung cycle 12. So, yun na nga, no? Dahil sa ganung routine ko everyday, even weekends, wala talaga akong pahinga, sir. Hindi ako lumalabas. The only people who can see me is yung brother ko na kasama ko sa apartment at saka yung kasama namin sa bahay. 2 tao lang. As in, wala na akong labas-labas. Kakain lang ako, tapos dadalayin ko pa yung food ko dito sa kwarto kasi dito yung review. Tapos, ganun yung naging routine ko for January until end of my review. So that would be like April. So nagkasakit ako at the end of February. So kasi ganun yung routine ko. So bumaba yung immune system ko, nagkasakit na ako. Sabi ko, pahinga muna. Sabi ko parang nasobrahan, wala nang sleep. Sabi ko kasi on first week of March na ako mag-start ng Q-Banks. So nag-rest muna ako kasi tinangkaso ako nun, sir. So
Mm.
nagbakasyon ako for 4 days, lumabas muna ako ng bahay, and then yun, nag-recover. And then pagbalik ko ng March, doon ako nag-start ng Q-Banks ko, sir. So ganun yung naging routine ko everyday. So walang labas. Even weekends, hindi ko winawaldas or pinofocus ko lang siya sa review. So wala talagang rest. Monday to Saturday. Parang 24/7 akong gising for review.
I mean, it really shows your commitment for this NCLEX. So even myself during my time, kung ano yung oras ng tulog ko on my working days, ganun din on weekends. So that I have my own routine. Tulad niyo
Yes
po, I
po.
don't also go out of the house. I mean, after work, diretso lang di talaga dito sa bahay. Tapos matutulog na, then it's the same routine. And I'm
Yes.
happy naman po, Miss Natalie, with your preparation. No? Kasi although it's 3 months of preparation, but prior to that, you have managed to scan through yung mga review natin.
Yes po.
And did you also avail po the coaching program?
Yes po. So, yun, avail na avail si coaching. Yung coaching program ni iPass, yung nag-help talaga sa akin para ma-keep in track ako sa review. And then they are also keep motivating me, to pursue and continue what I'm doing. So I'm very thankful to this superwoman, the true superwoman of my life during my entire review. So Ma'am Jamie at saka si Ma'am Crystal. Si Ma'am Crystal talaga is my coaching. So nag-start siya sa akin, and then Ma'am Jamie, binost niya yung confident ko, pati si Ma'am Crystal, to the point na na-pressure na talaga ako, sir, during coaching. Talaga na-pressure ako kay Ma'am Jenny, kay Ma'am Crystal, si Ma'am Jamie after second coaching namin, sabi niya, you should check this employer, ganyan, ganyan. Tapos sabi ko, alam, Ma'am, grabe ka naman. Tapos sabi niya, papasa nga. Tapos after ko ng final coaching with Ma'am Crystal din, sabi niya, you're gonna be my first USRN student. Sabi ko, Ma'am, grabe. So doon ako na-pressure, pero somehow, super thankful ako sa dalawang tao na to. As in, kasi walang nakakaalam na magti-take na ako, sir, ng exam ko. So this only two person know na magti-take na ako. So parang sila lang pinaghuhugutan ko talaga ng confident ko during that time. So super thankful talaga ako sa coaching ng iPass. Super helpful from the start of my review until the end talaga, including the anxiety management, no. Sobrang thankful talaga ako.
Thank you for sharing, Miss Natalie. And we have the privilege of having Miss Jamie with us tonight. Good evening, Miss Jamie.
Hello guys. Good evening
Hi,
sa
Ma'am
inyo.
Jamie.
Hello, ang aga
Any
dito.
message po
Hey,
to
Miss
Miss Natalie?
Natalie.
Hi, Ma'am
Well,
Jamie.
sabi ko nga, mini-message niya ako, pumunta daw ako. Sabi ko, sige. So I thought, Saturday morning, sabi ko, oh my gosh, hindi ako makakarating. Oh, pero Friday pala, sige. Alright, ayan, gumising ako ng maaga for you. Hello,
Thank
hindi
you
na ako
po.
mag-show ng video, pasensya na po. So, Miss Natalie, I am so happy. Alam ko naman na she will make it. She's really smart. I have no doubt with that. Pero makulit to si Miss Natalie. Palagi ako mini-message. Pero I'd rather,
Sorry.
no, no, you're good. But I appreciate that kasi po, it's really helping you naman na I'm really glad kasi nobody knows na mag-exam siya. So parang taahipas lang and then herself. So it's hard that you have no one to share it with, especially if your anxiety is through the roof na talaga. So you really have someone to talk to. So that's why sabi ko that I was there for her, and I have no doubts with her during her preparation. She's really smart. We did our pre-exam coaching, lahat ng questions na sagot niya. And then, natapos siya ng exam, hindi naman ganun yung sinabi niya sa akin. Ilan nga yung number? 100 plus ba yung 114?
117 to be exact, ma'am.
117, yeah. And then, sinabi niya sa akin na yun daw yun. And she really doubted herself agad-agad. Sabi niya, naku ma'am, I failed. Hindi ako nahirapan sa exam. Remember? Tapos, so,
Opo.
I felt like, hindi siya nahirapan. Okay? She's good. Talagang alam ko na you did great. So, hindi ko rin na-entertain yung pagpapanik niya kasi naghihintay pa siya ng result. Pero alam ko she made it. So, yun lang guys. So, sa lahat na mag-exam, you will be an inspiration to your classmates. And just continue achieving your dreams, Natalie. Ano, malayo yung mararating mo. So now that your parents know na nag-exam ka, I know they are so proud of you and IPAS is so proud of you. Continue achieving your dreams and sunod-sunod na to. First step lang yon, di ba?
Yes po.
Alright. I think yun lang. Wala akong masabi sa kanya. She's excellent.
Thank you, Ma'am
Thank you.
Jamie.
Thank you, Miss Nat.
Thank you very much po, Ma'am Jamie, for providing
Yes,
message
no
po kay Miss
problem.
Natalie and for waking up so early po. Miss Natalie, I know this Hope Talk is very special for you. It's
Yes
really rare
po.
po having two coaches having this Hope Talk at the same time, no?
Yes po. Super thankful
Uh,
talaga ako sa super
Hello,
dalawang
Ma'am
Ma'am
Nat.
dito.
Hi,
Hi,
Miss
Ma'am
Crystal.
Crystal.
Hello, Ma'am Nat. I'm so proud of you. This is it. 'Di ba? Sabi ko
Thank
sa iyo,
you.
maniwala at magtiwala ka lang. Finally, it's all yours with God's grace. Continue to believe yourself, 'di ba? Kayang-kaya mo. Stay humble, Ma'am Nat. I know that you do all your best for this, right?
Yes.
And natutuwa ako. Hukto ka na. Nasa hukto ka na, di ba?
Yes, Ma'am.
Opo,
Minamanifest lang
eto na
natin to
po. Eto na po
last
yon yung
month.
after ng exam mo, parang hindi ka pala, hindi mo, di ba sinasabi ko sa'yo, i-enjoy mo yung hotel, mag-swimming ka doon, mag-gym ka doon, pero hindi ka pa rin na makapaniwala or I mean na parang nag-worry ka pa lang. Pero I know, I believe you na, I believe in your capability na to pass the NCLEX. Kaya masyado akong relax, hindi kita kinukulit din kasi talagang nafe-feel ko kasi nafe-feel ko talaga if the student will pass, nafe-feel ko at talagang ano lang ako, yung parang nangangamusta kasi nai-excite ako, hindi ako sa kinakabahan na baka mag-fake kasi pinaprangko ako si student kung alimbawa meron akong student na parang hindi pa ako at ease, inaano ko siya na kung gusto niya, 'di ba? Na alam ko parang nasabihan kita ba na
Yes,
pag
ma'am. First
ano,
coaching
pag
namin, actually, I remember, pinapareschedule niya sa akin, sir, yung
oo, 'di ba?
yung exam ko. Sabi ko, na-depress ako that time. Sabi ko, ma'am, seryoso ba
Oo.
ito? Na,
Kasi
parang I'm well prepared na.
oo,
Nasa few banks na ako.
late ka na nag-initial coaching, right? For me, late
Yes po,
na.
kasi
Oh,
I was
yeah.
assigned to a different coaching pala nung first, sir. So, si Ma'am
Mm.
Crystal ang pumasok. Buti pumasok siya on time kasi nag-start ako mag-few banks.
Yun. Kaya nung nag-usap tayo na our initial coaching, yung as a flow ng ating talk, ay kayang-kaya ni Miss Nat. Kaya sabi ko, Miss Nat, go ka na. Ako'y na-excite na for you. Thank you, Miss Nat. Thank you for trusting us and I pass.
Thank you po, Miss Crystal. Thank you talaga.
Thank you po, Coach Crystal, for providing message kay Miss Natalie. I know tonight is a very special night for Miss Natalie, no? Talagang the support system is really ano po, no? Around you, no? Kahit malayo ang mga coaches mo,
Yes
alam mong
po.
ramdam mo yung support nila, no?
Sobra po.
And that's how we do it po dito kay IPAS, no? We don't just provide po the lectures. We provide holistic care. Not only for ano po, no, sa mga coaches, we also have the anxiety management class, we have the trending topics, and so on. And napansin ko rin, no, Miss Natalie, you have very meticulous ang structure nyo ng pag-prepare nyo ng study plan for your NCLEX, no?
Somehow, yun po yung nangyari. Parang I tend to be harsh on myself na din na I don't sleep during the day without doing any Q banks. That's every day. That's every day my routine. If I tinatamad, kasi there's going to be an point na tatamarin ka na, kasi pagod ka na, and mawawalan ka ng motivation. And I keep telling myself na, hey, you only have few months, you have only have few weeks left. Huwag ka nang tamarin. Mag-relax ka after na lang. After ng NCLEX mo na lang. Parang ganun. It's only few days, few weeks left, few months, or last month mo na lang, last month of review, keep doing it. At saka, ang mahal ng NCLEX.
Yes.
NCLEX is so expensive. Yun yung nagpapamotivate sa akin everyday. Parang, okay, ilang araw na lang ang puyatan. USRN na ako. So, yun yung laging nasa utak ko, sir. Laging nasa isip ko. Kaya, hindi rin ako makalabas-labas kasi instead of going out, eating outside, ako, sir, nagigilty. Yung ganong feeling na I tend to go out then sometimes to do some grocery, some errands, running some errands. Pero yung sa yung utak ko talaga during nasa labas ako, sir, is, bakit sa labas ako? Parang waste of time. I mean, ganun talaga yung isip ko, sir, yung utak ko talaga during that review, no? Parang, it's a waste of time. 30 minutes is a waste of time for me. Parang go back home, review instead. Or instead of the 30 minutes going out, nag-rest na ako para, yung mind ko ma-fresh ulit. So yung ganun yung utak ko na sana ma-adapt ng students na parang make yourself guilty if possible. Kasi it's going to help you to strive more. Especially on my side, no, na parang late na yung yung review ko, late na nag-start talaga kasi January na, parang mid of cycle 12. So yung nagmo-motivate sa akin, late ka na nag-start. Parang kinakausap ko yung sarili ko sa loob, late ka na nag-start, lalabas ka pa, ganyan, kakain ka pa sa labas. So yun yung nagmo-motivate sa akin everyday na instead of doing that review, instead of doing this, mag-Q-banks. So hindi talaga ako, sir, na natutulog in a day without doing Q-banks or without reading my rationale. Parang I have to learn something before I'm going to sleep. I'm not going to sleep if I don't learn anything. Ganun talaga yung ko, sir, yung utak ko every day. So somehow it helped me. Maybe some other students make it, harsh to themselves, but for me, it helped to pass my NCLEX.
Thank you for sharing, Miss Natalie. Actually, no, totoo po yan. That's really true. Whenever we want to achieve something, it takes a lot of sacrifice and dedication.
Yes.
And that's what you did. No wonder
Yes, po.
our two coaches are really confident for you that you have achieved NCLEX talaga. It shows your your diligent preparation.
Yes,
Kasi
po.
with diligent preparation, you instilled confidence. Somehow you'll
Yes,
be able to
exactly.
approach yung exam with sense of readiness talaga and preparation.
Yes, dumating ako sa point, sir, a week before of my exam, no? Na parang, I can take the exam like right away. Right na. Like in an hour, I can take it. Parang ganun yung confident ko that time, a week before. And then, nawala siya, sir.
Oh.
During a week of my exam, nawala yung confident ko. Yung kinakausap ko si Ma'am Crystal tsaka si Ma'am Jamie, Ma'am, nawala na yata yung pinag-aralan ko. Parang nawala siya bigla. Pero Ma'am Jamie keep telling it to me na magkakaroon ka ng recall during your exam, which is nangyari. Nagkakaroon ako ng recalls like, okay, nadaanan ko na to. Okay, ito yung sinabi nito. Ganyan, during review. Parang nagkakaroon ako ng sarili kong recall on my mind, which is somehow para akong buang, crazy in front of computer. Siguro kung meron lang video recording doon sa computer, matatawag talaga akong buang or crazy kasi tinatawanan ko yung exam somehow. I don't know why, but I feel like some of the other NCLEX question is like pamigay. It's like, okay, this is the answer, parang ganon. Parang, I don't know, that's how I feel during the review, no? Ay, during the actual exam na, sir, no? I think yung UWorld talaga helped me a lot to prepare.
So, ilang months po kayo practice question? You started in March, di ba?
So I started actually March 4, nag-UWorld. Actually, I bought UWorld sa APAS, no? Kasi they give a discount for it. So I take advantage for it. So I bought a UWorld December pa. So hindi pa ako nag-start talaga na actual review. May UWorld na ako, pero I don't activate it until March. Kasi my first coach, Sir Dave or Sir John, I forgot his name. Our first coaching, he told me to start my Q-Banks a month before my exam, which is I did. So March 4, nag-start na ako ng Q-Banks. Everyday yun, sir. Like, everyday talaga. I started at 85. And then second week, 100. Third week of March, 150, 150, 150. Until the end of March, 150, 150, 150. And then after April 1st week, nag-start na ako naglaylo from 150 to 100 items na. And then from a week before, or a few days before my exam na, back to 85. Kasi yung advice ni Ma'am Jamie, sabi niya, maglaylo ka na. Parang ako naman, parang hindi pwede. Kasi nandun yung rush, yung ko, sir, yung motivation ko nandun lahat eh. Parang nasanay na yung utak ko to 150, 150, 150, 100. Yung marami, yung na-rationalize ng UWorld. Sobrang haba, sir. Alam mo yan.
Yeah.
Sobrang haba. Parang, this is the question, and this is the question about the disease. Pero parang natatake lahat ng disease within that questions. Kasi yung other option, explain din nila kung bakit hindi yung answer, pero well detailed. Parang doon talaga ako parang ang haba masyado. Parang I think 10 questions ng UWorld, inaabot ako ng 30 to 1 hour to read the rationalize.
Yeah.
So ganun siya kasi talagang yun ang inaabangan ko sir actually yung rationalize ng UWorld kasi parang it additional boost din talaga ng confidence and also yung learning kasi IPAS is we call it siksik liglig na rin talaga yung education no yung learning but sa UWorld it going to add more parang kasi not everything will going to teach sa ano you're not going to learn everything during your lecture. Although lahat naman nakaka-cover na, pero some word talaga, I call it alien words, no? During my world practice talaga, na, may ganito pala. May ganito pala. Para akong ignorante. Yan, I share that to Ma'am Jamie and Ma'am Crystal na parang may mga alien words akong na-encounter, which is good kasi parang na-encounter ko na siya beforehand, before my NCLEX. Para pagdating ng NCLEX actual exam, familiar na ako sa ganang disease. Kasi ang hilig ni UWorld sa mga out of this world na mga sakit na parang nag-i-exist pala yun, sir. Parang ganon. So, yun yung kagandahan sa UWorld, no? Kaya, one of my tips talaga sa students to purchase UWorld. I know it's kind of expensive compared to other QBanks like Archer. Pero, worth it for me. And I'm sure it's going to be worth it to the students. And you can avail your discount naman. IPAS give you a discount when it comes to UWorld, no? And I also only purchase like 3 months. I think that's the minimum binibigay ni IPAS, no? So, ayun, UWorld talaga helped me a lot, to be honest, sir. Kasi yung rationalize, yung how they attack the questions, somehow they going to teach you, I don't know, I find it in UWorld na how to attack the question properly. Para magkakaroon ka ng practice, yung critical thinking, mahahasa ni UWorld. So, ganun yung nangyari sa akin. So, yan, one of my tips talaga is yung UWorld. Mahaba yung rationalize, pero sulit siya. Promise.
Thank you, Miss Natalie, for sharing. It's really true. Before you do your practice questions, you should have your mastery concept.
Yes.
And did you only utilize po ang lecture ni IPAS or do you have other review materials na nagamit?
So proudly, IPAS lang talaga, tsaka UWorld. Kasi I already had experience from my PNLE, no, from my local board exam before during my review. Meron silang face-to-face and then may online. So I tend to join two. And then, nagkaroon lang ako ng confusion sa sarili ko kasi iba yung tinuturo sa face-to-face, iba yung tinuturo sa online. So, nadala na ako, sir. I learned my mistake. So, yun, sabi ko, IPAS lang talaga. Isa lang kailangan ko matutunan. Isa lang talaga. As in, dito lang magpo-focus wala ng iba. Although, Ma'am Jamie and Ma'am Crystal forward some like Mark Lemek, yung audio, hindi ko talaga siya napakinggan. Kasi hindi ko siya na pinakinggan, hindi na ako nakabasa ng iba, hindi na ako nagbuklat ng kung ano-ano, hindi na ako nagbasa ng kung ano-ano. I just trust IPAS. I think it's well enough for me to ease the NCLEX, which is I'm right. So, you just have to master your concept talaga. Yun. Concept mo na kayo for 3 months, huwag niyong gayahin yung ginawa ko. Pero kasi sa akin talaga, hindi ako na-motivate until meron na akong ATT. Parang, this is how I feel, no? Kapag wala pa akong ATT or actual exact date ng exam, wala akong pressure parang wala yung motivation ko, parang I will do my review when I'm free, parang ganon. Ganon yung nangyari, sir. So eventually, nung nagkaroon ako ng ATT, yun na, nag-sacrifice ako a lot. So yung mga work ko online, kasi I have 3 jobs online, sir. So, ginibap ko yung dalawa. Iniwan ko yung isa lang. Sabi ko, yung pinaka-toxic, yung pinaka-less toxic, yung pinaka-chill, yun yung iiwan ko. So, during my review, mayroon pa akong 3 online job. So, nag-resign ako sa hospital work ko. Yun ang una kong ginawa para makafocus. Kasi nga, if you have hospital work, kasi you have to prepare, you have to go. Like I've said, we have like an acute, we do acute and chronic dialysis. So, minsan may mga stat dialysis and wala kang choice kapag ikaw yung nasa duty. Kundi tapusin yung dialysis talaga. And then, yun, una kong ginibap. So, one sacrifice. During my review, I still have 3 jobs at the same time. And then, nung nag-start na ako ng UWorld, I sacrificed 2 jobs. Nag-resign ako kasi hindi naman nila ako papayagan ng 1 month leave, di ba? Sobrang haba nun. So, iniwan ko isa. So, yun, nag-start na yung review ko. So, during my review, nagkaroon talaga ako, sir, ng anxiety na para akong nabuang, I would say. Umiyak ako for apparent no reason. During my second week of my U-World practice exam, umiyak ako for no apparent reason. Hindi ko alam. Siguro na pressure na ako kasi ilang linggo na lang that time maging NCLEX na ako. Parang sabi ko, worth it ba ito? Parang ganun. Worth it ba yung mga sacrifices ko? Tapos yun, yung financially, nagkaroon ako ng issue financially kasi nga, ginibab ko yung mga work ko, no? Yung mga bills ko, nandyan na. Tapos yung work ko na kaysa isang iniwan, nagkaroon pa ng problema financially. So, na-delay yung sahod ko, sir. So, doon, siguro nagpatong-patong, sir, yung pressure sa review, tapos financially, tapos nagkaroon talaga, sir, ng ganong point. Dumating talaga ako sa point na ganon. Ang pinakahawakan ko na lang that time is yun nga, pag may tinanggal si Lord sa'yo na something, there is blessing come. Parang may darating na blessing.
Yeah.
Parang may tinatanggal siya sa buhay mo kasi wala nang space para dumating itong blessing na to. Yun na lang talaga namang motivate sa akin everyday, sir. Lang, miyak talaga ako ng 2 days, 3 days. Pero proud ako noon kasi kahit doon ako sa point na na-depress ako, umiiyak ako, tuloy yung Q-Banks. Like I said, everyday yung Q-Banks ko. Tuloy yung Q-Banks. Iyak lang siguro ako mga 30 minutes and then recover and then Q-Banks ulit. Or tuloy ulit yung rational, bagbasa ko ng rationale ng U-World. So ganun lang, parang di ako nagpapatinag kahit sobrang ang dami nang nangyari, anxiety. As in, ang daming dumating na pagsubok on my last week or last month to my review. Sobra-sobra talaga. And wala akong mapashare nun, sir. Wala talaga akong masishare nun kasi I don't want to share to my family. Although they know na magti-take ako ng exam, pero they don't know when I'm going to take. Kasi parang bawas na rin siguro sa pressure, sir. So yun lang napapagsabihan ko si Ma'am Cristel at saka si Ma'am Jamie. Parang ma'am, parang na-down na ako. So I'm really happy talaga for these 2 people, no, na they are there to listen para makapag-vent out. So yun lang talaga, sir, yung nangyari sa akin during during a review.
I mean, there are times talaga na we really cannot explain pag may mga certain things na dumadaan sa atin for, I mean, like problems, challenges, or struggle during your NCLEX preparation. Di ba? You will question yourself, bakit ngayon pa? Kung kailan may
Yes.
pinaghahandaan ako.
Yes, sir. Dumating ako sa point na yan kasi I prayed every day to God nun. Sabi ko, Lord, gusto ko smooth lang yung NCLEX journey ko. Please give me the smooth one, a smooth road para matapos ng NCLEX. Pero hindi talaga siya nangyari, sir. Parang, yun nga, sir, like I said, dumating yung mga problems unexpectedly. Sabi ko, bakit ngayon, Lord? Pero somehow, I just look at it as a positive way po, no, na parang, Lord, God just, challenge na lang ako. Kung saan yung patience ko, kung hanggang saan yung, perseverance, you know. So, this is what I'm thankful to IPAS, no. They are not only prepared me sa knowledge, they prepared me mentally. So, yun talaga yung parang super thankful ako kasi nagkaroon nga ng anxiety management, no. It helped me a lot, sir, to realize everything. So, yung parang, yun talagang thankful ko eh. I'm not only praying for my mental health, but physically. And of course, yung knowledge nandoon na din. Yung knowledge talagang sabi ko, prepared me, Lord, mentally, physically, and emotionally. Yun talaga yung tatlong pinipray ko. I don't want to prepared only, sa emotions ko or mentally. Gusto ko prepared ako in this holistic talaga. Kaya yung thankful ko talaga for IPAS, no? Holistic approach.
Thank you po, Miss Natalie. And tamang-tama po talaga lahat mga sinabi ninyo. Parang you have sum it all. Yung mga things na nangyari po sa inyo is we have to really incorporate sa mga students naman po natin or classmates. And when it comes to UWorld talaga, no, prior to your exam, you have to do your mastery concept. Then
Yes.
you do your practice questions. Etong dalawang combination na to, if you have this, sure ako, papasa kayo na exam.
Yes
Diba? Unang-una
po.
pa lang, you have to trust yourself that you can do this. You will pass the exam. Definitely, bakit pa kayo nag-enroll ng online review kung alam niyo sa sarili niyo na hindi niyo kaya? You know you can
Yeah.
do it. You know in yourself talaga. You just being humble to yourself. And you're being grounded to the fact na ang dami niya pang aaralin, ang dami niya pang kailangan malaman. And that's okay. we have so much to learn ahead. Kaya nga, we have to prepare for something. And yung mga practice questions, we learned from the test-taking strategies technique discussion from Ma'am Jamie din, no? So,
Yes.
we do practice questions in the U world, pero you will not realize that you have all the knowledge doing your practice question. Nandiyan lang talaga siya sa utak natin.
Yes.
And I'm very happy po with your success, Miss Natalie. But can you share some tips po or when it comes to time management naman during your exam?
So when it comes to time management, yun nga sir, no, nasabi ko earlier that magkaroon kayo ng if it's possible, maging guilty kayo sa sarili niyo na for
Mhm.
doing something. I don't know, maybe that's 2 hours for other students, pero that's work for me, no? And probably everyone saying na parang, "Oh, okay, you just work at home." Parang feel that, mas madali sa akin. Pero it wasn't easy kasi nga yung time ko for work at the same time doing review. Like I've said earlier, so nagkakaroon talaga ako ng allotted time every day. So I spend like 8 hours every day for review only, no? And that's also during my U-World din, no, sir, Q-Banks practice. Ganun yung ginagawa ko. Nag-aalat talaga ako ng time, 8 hours a day. So, wala akong pinapalampas. Even weekends, I do practice pa din, ng practice ng practice. Wala akong pinapatawad eh. I mean, parang, yun nga sa isip ko eh, like, it's only few weeks or few months left. Tapos na. Gaano ba naman yung sacrifice na yan? Parang, after that, wala ka nang gagawin. Wala ka nang review. So, just, I think time management is really important, no? How you going to manage. So try to assess yourself first. Saan ka ba free? Anong time ka ba pwede? Ako sometimes puyat na eh. Kasi everyday akong puyat kasi yung work ko night shift eh, US hour. So parang after nun, parang drain na ako, sir. Kasi let's admit it na kapag night shift ka talaga, iba yung pagod compare sa day shift. And kahit matulog ka dyan maghapon, yung pagod mo nandoon pa din eh. Iba talaga siya eh, yung night shift, no? Somehow, na-manage ko siya. Somehow, kahit pagod na ako, parang, sige lang, laban, kaya to. Kailangan may matapos ako. Yun yung motivation ko sa sarili ko, no? I'm not going to sleep or I'm not going to take a rest without learning. Yun talaga laging nasa isip ko. Yan, everyday. Like, I'm not going to sleep kapag di ko pa natapos yung Q-Banks. Kasi yun yung routine ko everyday nung nag-Q-Banks ako, sir, no? Q-Banks, and then kinabukasan, babasahin ko yung rationalize ng Q-Banks. So, 1 to 85 din, or 1 to 50 yon, isa-isa talaga yon. Either I got it correct, I'm still going to read it from the top to the bottom. I don't care. I need to learn, I need to read that kung bakit ko siya natama. Kasi minsan, there's a point sa U-World na sinasagot ko, parang chamba. Chamba ba ito? Parang ganon. Parang guts ko lang kasi I don't know the topic. I'm not familiar, pero binabasa ko siya. And then, kahit mali, basahin ko rin. Lalo na pag mali, sir, yung talagang binabasa ko talaga siya kung bakit mali ang nasagot ko. Ito naman yun sa ganyan, ganyan. Parang kina-question ko yung sarili ko. So, ganun yung routine ko, no? Whether I'm right or wrong sa U-World, I'm going to read the rationalize. And after ko mag-rationalize, another set of exam before I'm going to sleep. Para kinabukasan, meron na naman akong i-rationalize. So, ganun yung naging routine ko. Rationalize, Q-banks, and then kinabukasan, rationalize, and then Q-banks, another set again. Parang naging ganun yung routine ko. So, I think it takes discipline talaga. And then, self-assessment, of course. Kung ano ba yung situation nyo. I know some of you are working in the hospital, especially sa mga OFW, especially to those who have a family. So I consider myself lucky, no? Kasi I don't have any kids. I don't have any husband or anything to take care of. Just myself. Kaya yung naging harsh talaga ako sa sarili ko na parang those situation from my other classmates na they have kids to take care and they have work, yun naging motivation ko sa sarili ko din na parang your situation is not worse than the others. Parang just keep doing your Q-banks, doing your studies. You don't have any reason to to be lazy during review. So yun, sir, ang tips ko talaga sa study habit is find yourself assessment muna. Kung saan ka pwedeng mag-review, what time, even 2 hours, it's okay. That's a lot. Even 1 hour is okay. It's a lot. Parang ganun yung nasa utak ko lagi, sir. Parang it's still a step forward. So yun.
That's true, Miss Natalie, no? Ang ganda po ng preparation nyo. Listening to dun sa kwento mo, no, it gives me chills talaga kasi ganyan din yung preparation ko. I became time conscious. Talaga,
Yes, sir.
dun sa pinaplano mo, kailangan by this time, lecture
Yes,
lang.
sir.
Then after
Yes,
that,
sir.
I do my practice questions, no? Sometimes we are not being kind to ourselves. Pag may mga times talaga na you
Yeah.
haven't achieved your goal in a day. Di
Yes,
ba?
sir. Ganun na. Ganun yung feeling ko, sir. So sometimes my brothers go, di talaga nila ako makita, sir, maski sa bahay, if they're not going to knock
Mm.
on my door. And yun, ganun yung naging ano ko. Tapos nag-word yung kapatid ko, nagsumbong sa parents ko na mabubuang na yata yan, sinasali. Hindi, hindi na kasi ako dumalabas, sir. As in, talagang, as in, hindi ako nakakakita ng ibang tao. Just myself. And then yun nga, yung brother ko or yung kasama namin sa bahay, if I'm going to eat. So yun lang na iba yung environment ko if I'm going to eat kasi I tend to eat dyan lang sa labas para iba naman yung,
Yeah.
kahit saglit lang maiba. And then after eat, balik sa room, review na naman or few banks or continue yung rationalize. So naging gano'n yung ano ko, no, yung routine ko talaga. Parang sabi ko kasi sa isip ko, that's only few months, 3 months preparation, 3 months
Mm-mm.
sacrifice. Sobrang liit compare after mong makapasa, di ba? Yung feeling na
Of
makapasa ka.
course.
And then, yung nga yung nangyari sa Q-Banks ko, sir, natapos ko yung Q-Banks ko in 1 month. So,
Yeah.
nag-start na yung April, parang tinatapos ko na lang yung mga wrong ko na answer. Yun na lang yung nabalikan ko, sir.
Mm.
Pero natapos ko siya within 1 month kasi ngayon sa habit ko na ganun.
Opo, no? Kasi they have 3,000 plus questions. Am I correct po?
Yes po, 3,000. So, natapos ko talaga siya, sir. Naubos ko
Ka-
yung 3,000.
Kasi on your weekdays, no, or on your working days, you will attempt 85 questions. Then on your day off, you will attempt naman 150 questions. I was able
Yes
to finish
po.
then yung isang buwan ni UWorld talaga. Kasi that's how I planned it. So, no excuses. Nothing at all. I have to give up some of the events that I have to attend. Kasi ang kapalit nito, lifetime achievement.
Yes, sir, exactly. So, ang daming ng opportunities na dumating, no, na in-ignore ko
Mm-mm.
rin talaga, sir. Like, yun na, kasi I'm also a pageant person. So, pinapa-judge
Wow.
nila ako dito. Niya, tapos ito yung TF mo, ganyan-ganyan. This is going to be happen, ganyan-ganyan. Ang dami kong dinicline, sir. As in talagang everything is like declined. I'm not going to do anything. It's just to my world. Kasi mahal siya, sir.
Mm-mm.
Sobrang mahal. So, yun nga, sir, no? Nag-motivate yung NCLEX sa akin talaga nung nagpa-practice ako na during my review on my PNLE. Kasi
Mm-mm.
nandoon, nag-PNLE pa lang ako, no, review, pero yung utak ko nasa NCLEX na. Ganun
Wow.
ganun yung utak ko, parang I have to do my NCLEX. Parang it's a big achievement. Sabi nila mahirap lang yung NCLEX. So sabi ko, sige, tignan natin. Kasi yung mga teacher ko, yung may review, sir, no, they are NCLEX passer. And then one of my teacher then is 3 licensed state as an NCLEX RN. So doon ako
Mm-mm.
na-motivate. Sabi ko, wow, ang galing naman. Tapos, doon ako rin na, sir, na ano, nung sinasabi ni Ma'am Rosana during ano, no, her review, no, na practice yourself to 150, 150, 150 para matrain yung utak mo. And during my PNLE, ganun yung ginawa sa amin, sir. Pre-board exam. It's like 100 items. Nagpa-pre-board kasi, sir, di ba, before talaga yung
Yeah.
final coaching. So parang pinasagutan sa amin is 1,200 items in 2 days. So 600 a day. And then 1 hour lang yun, each 100 items and then 30 minutes break and then go on hanggang sa matapos namin 600 items. So yung utak namin, sir, talagang pigang talaga. And then when Ma'am Rosana told us, no, during the review na practice yourself to 150 hanggang sa hindi na sumakit yung ulo mo. I said, okay, nasa tamang review center ako. Nasa tamang review center talaga ako. Kasi yun nga, sir, no, na ano ko na yun eh, na practice ko na yun eh. And it helped me to ease my PNLE. Kahit 10 years yung gap ko, parang na-ease ko siya without, sumakit yung ulo ko. Kaya nung during NCLEX, no, actual exam ko na, yun nga, nakwento ko kay Ma'am Jamie. Ma'am, seryoso ka, NCLEX na yun. Kasi Ma'am Jamie already warned me, no, na UWorld is harder than NCLEX exam. And then, this is my personal experience, no? Totoo siya, guys. Kaya, ayun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, investment on UWorld. UWorld's going to prepare you on the hardest question you're going to encounter. And then, yun nga, during my NCLEX exam na, sir, no? Tinatawanan ko yung questions for some reason. I know I did not stop at 85 like everybody else. Kasi yun, hindi na-anticipate ko, hindi pinipray ko, Lord. Lord, stop me at 85. And then, pag hindi yung nag-stop 85, pero yung utak ko nasa 150. Preferred ako for 150, although I want to be stop at 285. So, hindi siya nag-stop, no, sir. Pero, na-enjoy ko yung pacing ko ng review. And I'm very proud. Hindi sumakit yung ulo ko. Parang tinasabi ko, joke ba ito? Flex na ba ito? Parang ganun. Like I said, may mga pamigay questions. Like yun yung naka-help sa akin sa UWorld, no? Yung hardest question encounter during my UWorld. Tapos pagdating ng actual exam, parang, okay, ito na pala. Parang ganun.
Yeah.
So, nung nag-stop at 117, sir, I know I passed. But I just would like to have confirmation na magkaroon ng pass sa quick result. I know I
Yeah.
passed. I can feel it to myself talaga.
No wonder kasi po, Miss Natalie, yan yung nararamdaman ninyo. And we really cannot blame you dun sa feeling na yun. Because I myself felt it during the time after the actual examination day. Minsan, it really depends on the individual kung ano yung feeling or ano yung sign na hinihingi natin, no? Sometimes,
Yes,
the more questions that we remember, it's a sign that you pass the exam.
yes,
This
sir.
is for my personal opinion.
That actually works for me, sir, no? Like I've said, Ma'am Jamie, keep reminding me. Magkakaroon ka ng active recall during your exam, which is nangyari. And yun nga, sir, no, hindi ako kinabahan during my exam. Actually, sir, kinabahan pa ako nung may perma-perma kasi yan, sir, di ba? I think
Yeah.
5 times akong pinaulit magperma. Kasi
Oh.
nanginginig na yung kamay ko, sir. Pero sabi ko, Lord, wag mo akong ipakaba during exam kasi talagang baka ma-mental block ako. Pero yun na, nag-start na yung exam ko on the NCLEX number 1, parang parang excited na ako. Na-enjoy ko na siya. Yun nga, kini-question ko nga minsan yung question sabi ko, actual exam na ba talaga ito? Kasi parang ang hirap kasi ng UWorld eh. Tapos parang napunta ka sa basic questions, no? Parang, talagang totoo ba? Kaya minsan, kung may video lang talaga, sir, matatawag talaga akong buang during my exam, no? Kasi tinatawanan ko yung questions. Sabi ko, parang, ang tanga na lang nito, parang hindi ka nasagot. Parang gano'n yung sa isip ko. Parang, kasi ayan na parang kakainin ka na ng sagot. Parang gano'n. Gano'n yung pacing ng ng exam, which is I enjoy a lot, exam.
Miss Natalie, you did your mastery concept, no? It doesn't matter how
Yes
many
po.
times you read the review, as long as you understand the concept.
Yun
And
din po, no, yung maganda sa IPAS, no? Yung parang kahit baligtad-baligtad rin yung questions. Andun ka ba, hindi ka malilito. Kaya thankful talaga ako sa IPAS, mga IPAS, lecturer, especially Sir J. Pag tumating na siya sa patopisya talagang nakatitig lang ako, sir. Hindi ako nagsusulat. Hindi ako nagsusulat, nakatitig lang ako sa patopisyo niya kasi ang hirap intindihin, ang hirap i-absorb. Like Sir J, no, na repetition is the key. So every time he finish his lecture, nire-review ko pa yun the next day. Inuulit ko yung recorded, especially the patopisyo. Kasi parang feeling ko, marami akong matutunan doon eh. Which is, I'm glad kasi sobrang ang dami kong natutunan. Nagkakaroon na talaga ako ng active recall during my practice exam and then actual NCLEX talaga, sir.
kasi we have to expect that you do not know everything, even when you enter the actual exam or the
Yes,
testing
sir.
center. You just have to trust the knowledge that you have gained during your preparation. Most importantly, yung in-impart talaga ni IPAS review sa inyo.
Yes, sir.
With the help of UWorld question banks. Kasi kung
Yes.
wala tayong test-taking strategies, it will be difficult for us to answer the questions.
Yes, sir.
Not only the practice questions, diba? Yung knowledge din. Go ahead po, Miss
Yes.
Natalie.
So yeah, yun yung na-notice ko sa NCLEX, no? They want you to be a cert nurse. So yun lang naman yung iisipin mo eh. If this question is going to be a safe nurse, if itong sinagot ko, safe nurse ba ako dito? Yun lang yung nagtatalo sa akin eh. And then yun nga sir, no, like you said, yung IPAS talaga prepared me for my concept, no, mastery concept. Yun talagang, tinapos ko talaga siya. Sabi ko, hindi ko pwedeng i-miss to. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-start mag-Q-Banks kapag di ko natapos ang master concept ko. So, tinapos ko talaga siya kahit puyat, antok, tinapos ko talaga siya. Dumating ako sa point na I really don't understand na kung ano pinagsasabi. And all the lecturers have different learning strategy. Like yung mga synonyms and then yung may pakanta-kanta si Ma'am Rosana. Dumating yun, sir. Dumating yun sa NCLEX actual exam ko na kinakanta ko siya kasi may kanong question. Alam naman sinabi ni ganyan-ganyan. So parang, sabi ko, okay. Yung kanta-kanta, kinanta-kanta ko. Hanggang sa nakuha ko yung suit. So yun nga, no, like I've said, NCLEX is you want you to be a safe nurse. So, yung tips ko, one of my tips din, no, sir, balikan nila yung fundamentals talaga. Yun talaga yung basic, pero doon tayo nagkakamali. Aminin natin yan, no? Pero positioning lang ang tanong, pero di mo masagot-sagot. Parang ganun yung attack ng question eh. Parang basahin mo maganda yung question mo. Paano tinatanong? Kasi minsan tatapon sila ng question about this kind of disease, pero ang question is the positioning. So parang yung mga ganang tricky question na parang kailangan mo talaga siyang i-master somehow. Kaya fundamentals, pinabalik sa akin ni Ma'am Jamie a week before of my exam. Balikan mo yung ponda mo. Binalikan ko talaga siya, sir, kasi I know how important the ponda, no? Parang fundamentals nga siya, foundation of nursing talaga siya.
Yeah.
Kahit saang disease ka dalahin, if you are you master your fundamentals, you're good. You're good talaga.
Kasi minsan, di ba, all throughout our NCLEX review, we are so much focused dun sa mga difficult topics.
Yes,
Nale-left behind na yung
exactly.
dapat basic na
Yung
aaralin natin.
basics, sir.
That's why this is why is it so important you have your coaches with you, is to remind you to read more of your fundamentals, your safety infection control, your leadership and management.
Yes.
Kasi these are, I would say personally, one basics of the things that you have to learn before you even start the more difficult lectures, di ba?
Yes, sir.
So, Miss Natalie, looking back, no, is there anything you would have done differently in your preparation?
I think none, sir. I think I'm well prepared. Like I've said, during my local board exam, no, during my review of my PNLE, yung utak ko na sa NCLEX na eh.
Yeah.
Andun na ako, naglo-look forward na ako sa malayo pa lang eh. Parang, I want to achieve this one. Kasi I've heard NCLEX is the hardest exam ng mga nurses. And during that time is yung ano pa yun, hindi pa siya next gen.
Mm-mm.
Hindi pa siya next gen. So sabi nila, it's going to be more hardened on the next gen, no? So ayun, I'm well prepared for everything. Next gen man yan or standalone. Pero ang daming tinapon sa akin, sir, during my NCLEX exam na ano. So yung mga ganon, pinaprepared lang ako ni Ma'am Jamie na not all the questions were going to be next gen. Kaya yung mga standalone, yun doon ako nag-focus after first coaching with Ma'am Jamie, no? Kasi yun ang weakness ko kapag may mga standalone questions na parang, kasi standalone, kapag na-question, sagot mo yung mali, mali ka na eh. So, yun yung mga nag-ano sa akin, sir. Pinocus ko siya during on my last few weeks of my review, of my Q banks pala.
Thank you for sharing, Miss Natalie. And with that, we would like to present to you your IPAS certificate. This certificate is proudly presented to Natalie De Los Santos for successfully passing the NCLEX RN examination. This serves as a proof that the successful candidate indicated in this certificate is a safe nurse based on the USA Standards of Nursing Practice, signed by Sir J. Padong and Sir Mark Zaspa. Congratulations po, Miss Natalie.
Thank you.
Miss Natalie, before we start our lecture with Ma'am Rosana later on, can we sum it up po? What would be your best advice to our students who are preparing for their NCLEX and who will be taking their examination very, very soon?
Yun na, first tip guys, I'm going to share talaga. Invest a UWorld. It's very helpful. I know it's kind of expensive, pero pag malayo pang exam natin, pwede natin pag-ipunan eh. Kasi I've heard a lot of positive news or positive feedback regarding UWorld, no? So, yun ang una kong pinurchase in one of my investment. Kasi it will going to help you a lot how to attack questions. You're going to learn a lot from UWorld as well. Second is motivation. I did not start like the usual, kasi yung sabi nga nila, I pass ng 6 months. Hindi ko na siya na-start 6 months kasi I don't want to prolong my agony, no? I don't want to prolong my agony. I want to take it. Kasi I think if you are well motivated, prepared enough, especially for your master concept, walang walang imposible, no? And then, yun nga, self-management, self-assessment, kung saan ka talaga nag-excel, review management, time management as well, especially. So, yun ang importante talaga, no? Don't let the past day na parang wala kang gagawin, especially pag malapit na. Strive, kasi malapit na to. Parang only few weeks, yun ang isipin nyo. It's only 3 months sacrifice, 6 months sacrifice, and after that, tapos na, wala ka nang ibang gagawin. And yun nga, no, just keep yourself together. Kasi mahal ang NCLEX. Sobrang mahal siya. So, prepared yourself talaga. The hardest questions possible. Kaya yung UWorld talaga. And then yung IPAS, i-master nyo yung concept. And then yun, you should always remember that many are called, but only few are chosen. So you are the chosen one.
Yeah.
You have the reason why you're here. So don't be disappointed. I know NCLEX is really hard, but there's a reason kung bakit nandito kayo sa NCLEX. There's a reason kung bakit mag-exam na kayo. So yun, yung tips ko for students.
Thank you, Miss Natalie. And one last thing, I'd like to ask po, how did IPAS help you, the entire IPAS team, help you with your American dream?
So IPAS helped me a lot, no? Prepared me mentally, physically, kasi there's my coaching sila for exercise, physically and emotionally. So those three things are really important for me to help me to pass and ace my NCLEX exam.
Thank you, Miss Natalie, for that. And congratulations po again for successfully passing the NCLEX RN examination. We are very happy with your success.
IPAS Press